Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to switch Google accounts on Google Maps. To do this, it's very simple and easy. You have just to go and open Google Maps. And after that, click on your picture on the top right of the screen. And as you can see, there is the first button, switch account. Click on it, and from here you can change like your account that you are using on Google Maps easily and just with few clicks. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.